Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Redmi 12R. So first up, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax so we can launch it. Okay, now this is the place where you can get your free credits, and if you want to add the file, just click on the plus and select the source of your document. Any picture, for example, like that one. Now click the import, and now you can add as a shape to your document or the picture. Then choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible for the receiver. Click accept icon if you're ready, type the number in this place, select country from the list, and get your free credits or buy it and click on this button. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like and comment, and goodbye.